The first loop type we need to know is for loop. When we need to use for loop, if you know exactly how many times you want to execute your task, then you can use for loop. The syntax of for loop is like this. You start with the keyword for, and in the first line, you write for variable name in group of values, colon sign, don't forget that. And then in next line, you write the task you want to do. It can be one single line of task, or it can be multiple lines of task. And here, variable names is a value. You can refer it in your task, and it will be changed in your task. And group of values is a range of integers. It is specified with the range function. How does it look like? Okay, let me give you one simple example. Let's say I want to print 5 numbers from 0 to 4. Here I write a for loop. From 0 to 4, I have 5 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of writing 5 print functions, I write 1 and put it in a loop. So following the syntax in the loop structure, I write for I is the variable, in range 5. Range 5 is that group. So for I in range 5, what I do is print the numbers of I, the value of I. So now you see I is changed from range 5. Range 5 start from 0 to 4. We learned that in lesson 1. For each I in range 5, I will do this print function. So at the end, the result I get will be I is now 0, okay, when I is the first element in range 5. And then I is now 1, I is range 5, in range 5, I is now 2, I is now 3, and then at the end, I is 4. A second example, let's see. Now, instead of using I, this variable, I change it to x. So it doesn't matter how you call this variable in this loop structure. The thing we need to remember is that if you use x in this for loop, x will be changed. If you use I in this for loop, I will be changed. So in the second case, x will be changed from range 1 to 6. So it starts from 1 and it ends when it reaches 5. And then what we write? We write a print function. We say x squared is x times x. So at the end, what we get the result 1 times 1, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and 5 squared is 25. Right? Great. And the last example, let's see. Now the variable is changed to friend. So friend represents the variable which is changed in this loop structure. It's not I anymore, it's not x anymore, it's friend. And what is a group? The group is not number anymore. They are characters, they are names. So we have a group of names, and it is represented in this list. We have Alice, Brian, and Chris. Right now you see we have 3 names in this group, and this friend will be changed from Alice, Brian, and Chris. So what we do now in this third example, we have this invitation string, and this is string consists of hi friend, please join my party on Saturday, just a message. And in the loop, friend variable will be changed from Alice to Brian and Chris. We print this invitation message and we got the result, hi Alice, please join my party on Saturday. Hi Brian, please join my party on Saturday. And at the end we have, hi Chris, please join my party on Saturday. So that's how you formulate your loop.